When lethal gene is present in a baby, the baby may eventually die within 4 or 5 years of age, but most of them die during embryonic stage before their birth. This is because lethal genes often disrupt critical cellular processes like DNA replication, cell division, or metabolic pathways. Let's see how lethal genes take an impact on lifespan of a baby. Generally, to express a character of a person, there work two genes present in the locus of DNA. To express the characteristic of lethal gene, sometimes both of the genes need to be lethal gene present in the locus. In some other cases, one lethal gene is enough to express the characteristic. For instance, Tay-Sachs disease is caused by recessive gene, meaning that an individual must inherit two copies of mutated gene to develop the disease. If the person inherits only one copy of the mutated gene, they are expressed as carriers of the disease and do not show any symptoms. Tay-Sachs disease is caused by mutations in the hexa gene located on chromosome 15. For a child to have Tay-Sachs disease, both parents must be carriers of mutated hexa gene. If both parents are carriers of hexa gene, there are 25% chances that their child will inherit two mutated copies of hexa gene and eventually inherit Tay-Sachs disease. If both parents are carriers of hexa gene, there are 50% chances of being a carrier of the disease. To inherit two normal copies of gene, the baby may have 25% of the chances and be unaffected. Tay-Sachs disease manifests symptoms in around 3 to 6 months of age that include loss of motor skills, exaggerated startle response, muscle weakness and loss of coordination, vision and hearing loss, and finally leading to death around 4 to 5 years of age. Unfortunately, there are currently no cure being invented for Tay-Sachs disease, but genetic counseling can help couples understand the risk of having a child with Tay-Sachs disease.